Elixem here. It was another annual workshop organized by the Occupational Safety and Health Association, Abuja office, and we had to go to the workshop. I went with Zara and Uche because Zara was going to be launching and presenting her second safety storybook, It Will Be the Safety Boy, at the workshop. Here we have arrived, and Zara and Uche, on seeing Zara's book on the exhibition table, they were so excited. And then here is the safety minister, no other person than my darling husband, Engineer Dr. Emmanuel Walaka, delivering his speech and making his presentation. The workshop was a bomb, and the workshop had some very notable VIPs who came to talk about injury prevention, which was a theme of the workshop. And then it was time for Zara to go launch and present her book. Here she is. She was called Zara Uwalaka, the author of It Will Be the Safety Boy. She did so well. I was so impressed. She talked about the various chapters of the book and what they were talking about. Yeah. She was so confident and bold. I can't even imagine myself being a bit close to this confidence when I was Zara's age or even older than her. Up to now, it baffles me how she's able to coordinate herself, how she's able to actually handle any situation that pops up before her. Yeah, trust me, when I say she did well, she really did so well. Yeah.
And what it will teach kids. Chapter 1, we were at the safety club. It will teach kids how important it is to be at the safety club and how important it is not to play with dangerous objects like knife, razor blade, knife, etc. Chapter 2 is about Coyote being injured. It will teach kids after eating, they should sit down and digest their food before they play. Chapter 3, seat belt. It will teach kids not to play at the car and the resolve not to get injured. Chapter 4, Jesse and bully. It will teach kids to avoid bullies and stay away from them. Chapter 5, Coyote and the stranger. It will teach kids not to stay with strangers, trust strangers, and be with strangers. Please buy a copy for your kids and your children. Thank you.
I'm not sure you have clapped yet. And no parent should be here without buying her book. Please, it is mandatory to buy her book. How much is the book, please? It's just 1,000 naira. Okay? It's not up to 2 liters of fear. Please buy that book before you get here.
Wow, this is Zara being commended.
Okay. We are currently on our...
She's being commended by the regional president of the OSHAssociation. By the way, I'm proudly a member of this association. Here's my friend and sister Hope Inu being inducted as a full member of the Occupational Safety and Health Association. I'm so happy for you, dear friend. I'm proud of your consistency and your seriousness about anything that has to do with safety and health. Congratulations, Hope. And then the workshop was over. Here we are going back home, and don't mind Uche for staying in the front. I made sure that he came to the back of the car because it is very, very unsafe for children to sit in the front seat of a car. Yeah. So yes, I made him come to the back. Okay, gallery of photos for your viewing. Yeah, my friend, my children, who been inducted as a full member of the association. And here is her taking a snapshot. Beautiful, beautiful. And this is my nuclear family, my lovely God-given family, my darling hubby.